Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. Ignore the air conditioner. it's like 106 again today, so we are going to put a new cover on this book. I know it sounds simple and it's a simple video, but the results to me are just stunning. If you need a quick decorative book, definitely is the way to go. This is the embossed faux leather off of Timu. Now keep in mind I already covered one, but you get a pretty good size roll, and I'm gonna cover this other one just the same. They had so many patterns to choose from. It was hard to choose just one. I mean, there's 4 or 5 colors just of this style, and there are bukus of styles. So yeah, let's get started. This is an old Wind in the Willows. It's a 1933 copyright. This one is 1933. It looked just as bad as this one. I didn't take a photo and I'm kicking myself in the rear. So this one's on camera so we can see what it looks like. I had to tape the spine back together. I had to tape several pages together just to get it to stay together. So this is hopefully not a lost cause. But I'm gonna get the faux leather cut to size, and then we'll be back to start gluing it together. Okay, this is the easy part. This is Aleene's tacky glue. And I'm going to start by putting it on the back. And I'm not gonna do like you might think. Stick my arm in it. That somehow is a prerequisite. Wipe it off, but we got it on there quite a bit. Then I'm going to stick my hand in it again. Okay, now let's just check and see if we got it somewhat centered. Now what we're gonna do is set this on top and let it set for 30 minutes before we do anything else. Now we want to pull this back leather taut against the spine. And just clamp it in place just long enough you want to make a slit right where that book cover ends on the front. Make a slit back towards this cover. I was going to say on the front and back, and then it came unclipped. Okay, do that on both sides. Now we can glue that spine with the same clear lean tacky glue. I use the clear lean tacky glue because it seems to stay a little more flexible after it dries. Okay, put enough glue to really make a mess. You know, that's what we just did. Then we want to pull that over. I only have 3 bulldog clips, so, well, I only have 3 bulldog clips that aren't being used for something else. You can put it to you truthfully. Alright, now we just need to let this dry for 30 minutes before we finish tightening it and gluing the other side. Well, hopefully at least some of y'all caught me. We need to fold this extra bottom of the spine in. And we need to do it on both ends. And we need to pay better attention. That's why I went ahead and did this once off camera. So I know I remembered the steps. See if that worked. Nope. Now we're going to let it set. Okay, now we're just going to glue the back cover. Just like we did the front, putting plenty of glue, not spreading it out or anything. Just using this kind of pattern here to make sure we've got enough glue. And sticking my arm in it again. Okay, now we're going to turn it over and put our weight back on. Let it set for another 30 minutes. Okay, now we just want to take something that's about the same thickness as the book cover. And we're just going to put that across at, an approximate 45-degree angle. Is my pen all right? And we're going to make a mark. And we're going to do that on all four corners. All we did was cut the corners off outside that line that we just traced. And we're going to fold those edges in and secure them with the bulldog clips till they dry. And I'm going to start with the outside flap. And put a lot of glue. Hey, stay in the lines. If at all possible, I'm going to start with the middle, stretch it, see how much we can get. Ow. I don't know why I have so much trouble with these darn bulldog clips. There. I just can't get a hold of them. I'm going to do the same thing at the corners. There you have it. Some nice covered decorative books. Now, if you were going to alter them, you could do all kinds of things. Put the corners on, do some stamping, whatever. Those are primed and ready to go. Those will go right back on my bookshelf just like they are. But at least they look like now they won't just fall apart by glancing at them. Alright, I know it was a super easy tutorial, but I just wanted to share how easily we could use something like this Fimo faux leather, textured faux leather. I'm telling you, it comes in all kinds of colors and textures. Alright, so thank y'all so much for watching. Belly band, that would be cute. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video. Subscribe. It doesn't cost you a thing. Bye for now.